How are you all? I, Mrs. Arpita Shah, teacher from Tottenham School. So children, I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Children, do you know today? Today I bought some surprise for you. So children, come on, close your eyes. No cheating, okay children? Now, okay, now open your eyes. Come on, tell me, what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? Yes, this is plants. So children, now you all know what is our topic today. Our topic is about plants. So children, there are many types of plants. Some are big, some are small. They have different shapes, different sizes, and even some plants are of different colors. And children, do you know where do plants grow? Plants grow everywhere, like on land, on mountains, on rocks, in water, under the water, and even in hot areas and even in cold areas. Even in rivers, ponds, we can see plants everywhere. And children, do you know plants also need air, water and sunlight to grow. Like we need air, water and sunlight to grow. Even we need food. Like us, even plants need air, water, sunlight to grow. And they also need soil. So children, now I will tell you, like we have different body parts and they have their own functions. In the same way, plants also have different parts of the plants and even they have of their different functions. Okay children, so let's see. You know children, there are some big plants and there are some small plants. Big plants are called trees. They have very strong trunk and their roots are deep inside the soil. And there are some examples of big trees like coconut tree, banyan tree, apple tree, mango tree, peepal tree. These are the examples of trees. So children, now let's see. So children, we have already learned what are the types of plants, where do plants grow, and now we are going to learn about parts of plants. But children, do you know why we are learning about the plants and why they are important to us? Because they gives us many things, like they gives us fruits, flowers, vegetables and food grains, and even they gives us shade, and they are also homes for many animals. Like no, monkey lives on a tree, birds build their nest on a tree. So children, this way plants are very useful for us in many ways. So children, now we are going to learn about parts of plants. Children, I have showed you. Now, what is the meaning of plants and where do they grow, and even different types of plants, and they are also called as a living thing. So now children, I am going to show you some parts of plants. Now this is the first most part of plant. This is called roots. What does it do? It holds the plant in the soil. It takes all the nutrients like food, water from the soil, and give it to the plants. Now our next part is stem. It holds the plant upright. It takes food and water to all the parts of the plant. Now leaves. Leaves are the most important part of a plant because they prepare food for the plant with the help of sunlight, and they are mostly green in color. Even they are of different shapes and sizes. Now the most beautiful part of a plant is flower. Flowers, it makes seed or fruits, and they are the very attractive part of a plant. Now here there are fruits. It is the most tasty part of a plant. It may be of different taste, color, shapes and sizes. It depends on the plants. Thank you, children. So children, what we have learned today? We have learned what are plants, where do they grow, types of plants and even parts of plants. So children, now you all are going to do one activity. So parents, please help them to do that activity. First, take some soil in a pot and let them sow some seeds in that, and let them daily water it and keep them in the sunlight. Keep that pot in the sunlight. So let them do this activity so they will know how do the plants grow. Okay children? Okay parents? Okay.